About this item, up to 4K at 30Hz plug and play, allow you to connect one or even two HDMI monitors/displays with this USB-C to HDMI cable, up to 4K at 30Hz resolution. No additional software is required. Offers a convenient solution for directly connecting your USB-C laptops to HDMI compatible displays, TVs/monitors/projectors. Directly connected to the Android phone. Type-C to HDMI cable can easily connect your Android phone to an HDMI TV or projector. This way you can enjoy live events for your favorite shows on a larger screen. A stable signal transmission guarantees an even and clear picture quality. Note: only supports Android phones with video output function. Thoughtful and durable design, compact and light, braided nylon cable for extra durability. C-port is designed with indicator light. Premium aluminum housing for better thermal insulation. Compact design fits snugly with the USB-C ports on your devices, better signal transmission protection. Do not worry anymore about your bad Wi-Fi transmission problem. Wide compatibility: it is compatible with laptops and Android smartphones equipped with USB-C ports supporting DisplayPort alternate mode. Compatible with MacBook Pro 2021/2020/2019, Mac Mini 2018, iPad Air 2021, iPad Pro 2021/2020, iMac 2018/2017, MacBook 2019/2018/2017/2016, Samsung Galaxy S23/S22/S21/S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra/S10, Note 2010s, Dell XPS 17/15/13, and more. If you are not sure, please feel free to let us know. We are very glad to help you to check. Improve work efficiency, mirror or extend your desktop to boost productivity. Connect to a 4K LED monitor or UHD TV. Meet all the needs from daily office use to professional video and photo editing.